These are the door top cappings for a Jaguar E-Type. These are applicable to the 2+2 models and the Series 3 Roadster models, so the long wheelbase cars. These are original ones, although they've been recoloured. So you can see the original colour there, that faint red sort of material, then it's been dyed a much darker, almost burgundy sort of colour. So these are in the original leather cloth material here, onto the cappings. They have a thin layer of felt foam underneath, albeit disintegrated as you can see. And then on the top edge, they have the chrome beading there, and then a Velcro strip going down the length of it. We're going to be retrimming these for our customer.